Ebusia for amen kwa homa no so na men kwa parliament ye ka parliament wo mo a committee a ye keka mra sei na omo ye ho adwuma emu ba ko mensaka no era eye Sosu enra so em say ye ko ne mpesua so ekodi nkomo kakra nti ye nko Sosu akache na ye ne nkomo. Honorable, good morning.
For you now,
yo Honorable Boko there.
Onyankopon bibi aboko me gidi system wo so mo hi
nyame adom enura ye ko wo mpesua so how ba ko mienu bi answer me ba ho ma me nko straight na me bisa parliament mrafe na ma bonita wo mpesua so nkomo parliament say mutina se ye mra
95.1
what's the process in which ekoto man panyina ni
you say ye be okay ye mra ewia the speakership no and womo edi memo edi dispatch emrano to omampeni na answer na emrano be wie no say it begins with there are two main modes we be the emra aba parliament either say the executive no and introducing emrano and as a private member na introducing. The way executive now introduce two things. We are introducing it as a normal bill. We are in a normal bill. It means a go through some cabinet approvals, memo, ministry, and so money drafted the piano. Attorney General first manage about parliament. Or the parliament, you be gazette and for 14 days. As a 14 days notice, as a 14 days notice, now your first reading. Your first reading, you better refer to the committee, the relevant committee, as I said, I thought it could be two different committees, and now on my clause by clause consideration in your man. Or move your committee, adding a report about parliament. The report about parliament, you better the second reading. Now, after our committee report, there are parliament. Now, you debating the object of the bill, and I said the purpose of the bill, and the principles behind the bill. The way that debate, now speaker ask the question, the speaker put the question, and now the bill, passes our second reading in here. Now, after you call your friend clause by clause, and then you have a parliament, now. You share bill, every provision a woman say will be your suggestion, will be your proposal, now one also the aba. You use that process now you third reading of the bill. You use third reading of the bill now. Then parliament like I said the bill has passed. Parliament passed bill need be paid. Now after the clerk of parliament speaker and our mobile niakano omudi when you you better or compilation corrections in the BBI ready. This party the office of the president.
Usually, how many days does it take for the clerk to send it to the office of the president?
Oh, usually no. Me dia within some 24 hours and after 48 hours BDA. Yet me with now the problem, the challenge I want to say with for example, maybe send me the some of the private bills maybe it took time before it got to president. Now the drafting department and we corrections because on the floor all the issues are raised, they will take time to now make sure that all the issues are properly taken care of. The bill the baby I want baby C1 baby or maybe now on my dispatch, and they shouldn't take more than 48 to 72 hours there. Now on my stand you are normal dispatch they are called on my opinion share.
And that is how it is. And then from there, what happens? Does it come back?
I could draw on my opinion share honor on my penny edgy bill on my penny I was 7 days. Our division bill no was shared bill within 7 days. Now we're indicated to parliament what his intention is going to be. The intention, and he said, "Obe signify to Parliament." Say, "Wa assent bill, and I say, "Onye na we say obe assent." So to make here, that a death penalty bill, Yeah, the bill command. 3 days after the bill command, na wa assent the first one, and the others, the others did or declare intention, and yeah, or better sign it, and within 3 days, because within the constitution, or 7 days, as I said, we use to sign a bill. Now, or sign once or sign bill the bill is sent to be gazetted na adani law.
The question is it possible a member of the presidency and answer the president himself can ask, say, Matisa Modi Bibi Breme, Mamma Fancy. Has it happened?
Oh, our constitution, and be any hosa, your constitution.
Maybe any hosa, you better let her back parliament to the clerk. Say, Shannon one for we see her.
In fact, we are crown, not question who book parliament in Tia. It's answer, in your democracy, no, it hinges on your friendly separation of powers. Now, that separation of powers, no, you were a 2 year woman penny, or man penny last year, and you were 2 year judiciary, and you saw 2 year parliament. Now, the parliament did on the only responsibility of parliament one, and it's a parliament. Eddie Jumedia why you know and become Antonian share and maybe anywhere a mahun quine and answer a ship parliament who quite say what in Brano and the Quacoma or Mampeni now was saying yes.
You, Mamma, now I say,
Council, Wadaruma, in the case of this particular bill, I call President Warrior to say, ye di hun come way. As I saw call, Obiso the Supreme Court. Agreed, accepted. Supreme Court in himself will interpret Emra, not a bill. I don't know. I stand to be corrected. Can you educate me on that? Exactly what Supreme Court is going to interpret?
That Supreme Court, no, and it's a more original jurisdiction. I will more interpreting Emra say ABA, Obi niye, Obi BBA, say a kuntia your constitution, no. And I said, any constitution ebobra, and I said it is in line with the constitution. Supreme Court no original jurisdiction said what the better interpretation, you know. But
the question was if the thing has not been assented to, and I say fire, President Fan and Sanchez, a nyanyemra and Anya sanity.
It's a Oman Penny Fan Sanchez here and Yemra. And looking at, for example, now, witchcraft bill, even though you see a quotia and money and protection of women, the law is there. But my penny for the it's not the law. And nothing I thought they are so you see people being killed on account of witchcraft in your man. Because
and it's a bill like this in a court, Supreme Court, based on the fact that Brano. Do they have a jurisdiction on it to interpret it?
No, that will be. I will be going too much to now determine the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. And with all due respect, the Supreme Court has an interpretation. They say whether
they don't have local so now so local.
Idea no enya brano or manka sa musha idea enya bra any idea na wo mo be interpret no ye be jama Supreme Court na omo akahwe a hot side no.
All right, Mr. Say, what's the process in which the president Ekasa on fan and San Shasia and also Obefem? What would he do?
The president Nekasa won't fa Nisa and Shasia. As I said, president, you know, what indicating, yes, indication, you know, Edima parliament within 7 days. As I said, president, you know, what the memo about parliament. Exception, Yentia, what he won't find is that here. Now, I say, you know, our consent be about any particular provision. And now, a constitution, and my president who can say in the memo, no, or no 20, I'll say, be a clause 1, your issue, clause 2, your issue, clause 3, your issue. Now, our suggestions be a now, what in the suggestions, you know, at the account. The parliament ever reconsider bill no, in the light of suggestions or manpenina at the abano, and then the parliament will, after reconsideration, will pass the bill again and send it back to the manpeni. And now say manpeni every bill no ever come council of state to say one more better now one more advice on the bill. No. But I think that in this case, manpeni any of this one.
Right.
And to let away Abaye free the office of the president from the secretary, do you see say it is a true representation of what the president wants to tell Parliament, or it is just a mere secretary natural letter no Ediaba, which you are assuming say he doesn't have any locus?
Oh, apart from saying say Penny secretary needs to maybe a obituary letter side the Parliament, it's very difficult for me to tell the purpose and I say the objective and I say the own dream. But it's obvious to say Penny is just trying to refuse to assent to the bill. And the reasons, Penny has earlier on cited in Article 108, I have always said that our reason, is not reasonable. It is not accurate reason because Penny Article 108, a regulated parliament, not executive. And the regulation of parliament, relates to a Juma Ecoso parliament. Emphasis a man bill nebano. Nipa war presiding and or under Article 108 or to me so decided that our bill may have financial implication and that may not have financial implication. But or determine then when the bill is passed, it becomes an act of parliament. It's no more just a normal bill. It's an act of parliament that must now be assented to. So once you pass it, you have gone through all the processes now, constitution laid down for both public and private bill and abedani law. So Penny any only excuse to be after one family here. It's in the secretary naturally be a matter do about nothing.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, fancy. Now I say, and come on about your constituency, but I'm bringing to Maminja. Say, I'll come back to you on this constituency conversation later on, and then we would have that conversation. But Mekai say, this thing has happened before, Mampenny. The reason why I want to be funny is I sent it to a particular bill. Speaker of Parliament had an issue with the president on that particular reasoning he gave. Thank you so much. Lawyer Xavier Sosu, or a member of the Constitutional Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee. And I pay Onua 95.1 FM.